Sorry, yeah, recording has been started. Today, I'll give some basics about S4HANA. Actually, we SAP we can have different customers. We can have existing
And some noise is there. Some noise.
existing customers and new customers. Okay. Here, where the deployment, how can we do the deployment? There will be three types: on premises. Okay, one can be on premises. One is cloud. Another one is hybrid. Okay, existing customers are nothing but they are already using the ECC version. Okay, they are already using ECC. So here the company like they're already using ECC, but they want to go to the S4HANA. So they can only migrate to the convert to the on premises only. So they can't. They can only the existing customers who are using ECC, whether EHP7 or EHP8 or any other ECC SAP version. So they can only go to the on premises. So they can't go to the cloud hybrid. What is cloud? Cloud nothing but online, right? Hybrid nothing but this is both combination of on premises and cloud. Okay. So if any company or which are already using the ECC and they want now it is the time they want to the go to the S4HANA. So the SAP is now recommended to go only on premises. So they can't go to cloud or hybrid. They can only go to the on premises. Okay, the new customers the new customers can move to they have choice. They can go to the on premises or cloud or hybrid. This is possible. They can go to the anyone. So because they are newly implementing the S4HANA. Previously they might use the any Oracle or any other some ERP software, some any other. Now they are freshly using the S4HANA. They want to install it further. Now they have the choice. They can go to the on-premises or cloud or hybrid. So what is on-premises? See right now I'm logging to the SAP HANA system. Go, you can check the status. You go to here. Yeah, product versions. See, install. This is on premises. See, if you see here S4 HANA premises. So we can check it here. If it is a cloud, you will get here cloud. If it is like hybrid, you will get some other versions. So it is on premises. What is on premises? On premises nothing but the company directly maintain their server. Okay, directly maintain the database in their premises. Premises means there in their location. The cloud will be anywhere. It can be cloud means in some other place. Now they will log in from here. Cloud hybrid is nothing but a combination of on premises and cloud. So here they will maintain their own system, their own database. They will install on premises, install, maintain everything. They only maintain. So the existing customers only use on premises only. So they are which are already existing customers. If they are new customer, they can go to on premises cloud hybrid. Okay, now if you come here next, Mm, I think okay. See here, I will go to a new one. Here, uh, so this is an ECC. Right now, we're using ECC system, right? So we are now using ECC system. So the database, the ECC allowed any database. It is allowed any data. It can be any database. It can be like micro MSQL, Oracle DB, any DB. ECC allowed any DB. If you see here, I am logging to your ECC system. So we can check the version from status, go to status, system status, here and the product version. It is available in another system. Now see the database system MSSQL. So it is ECC system. So the ECC system can use any database. Okay, any database. Now, so this can be called as business suite. So with this is business suite. Okay. Now we want to now we want to use the S4HANA. Here also we have different options. Okay, here we what are different options we can use here ECC application. Okay, you can use ECC application. Here you can use ECC application, but here you can use the HANA database. The application will be UCC. Now here are using ECC, you will be get the same. You are using this, there will be no any change. Everything will be here ECC, but the database it will be converted. It will be migrated. Sorry, it is migrated to S4HANA from MSQL to HANA DB. That's also possible. So without changing ECC, we can use this MSQL DB to the S4HANA. That's also possible. So here now we are using S4HANA. So this can be called as business suite on HANA. Okay, business suite HANA. Now and also R. So what is this? This is can be presentation layer, application layer, database layer. Presentation layer, application layer, database layer. Presentation layer, application layer, database layer. So the application layer is the application will be all ECC here. But now we are using the S4HANA that can be we are previously using without there will be no any. This can be called as migration. So we call it a migration project. So in project there will from there when you converting from ECC to S4HANA there will be different types of project, migration project, conversion project. So this will be called as migration project. Okay, migration. Now here S4 core we'll call as S4 core. Also in see now the database will be S4HANA. This will be S4HANA now. So now we are using like we have converted. Okay, because at a time we can't convert migrate from direct to S4HANA. So We already daily we are doing lot of transaction that it will not possible. So the company decided first let's use the S4HANA okay database. So what is them? They are using same ECC application. So they are using ECC application now. They only migrate to S4HANA database. So now it will be changes to the S4HANA. So here, if you see here, this is the status. So now we are using MS SQL. What is it will change to HDD HANA database. So now we are only partially moved to the S4HANA. We are using on ECC, but are not. We are just for using ECC application, but and we are using only S4HANA. Now the company decided they want to completely convert to the S4HANA. This is the conversion project. Okay, this is the conversion project. So this is conversion. Okay, this will be the conversion. Yeah. Now and also we will get some like we'll get some questions on which platform we are working on it. Okay, this will be complete as for HANA. This is complete as for HANA. Okay, now we have converted ECC to the S4HANA. This will be only done. Actually, this is only done. This is only done at which level? See, only existing customers can do this. As I said, the existing customers are allowed all on premises. So this will be done on premises only. They can't move to the cloud hybrid. So this will be done on premises because already in the existing customers we're already working on the already database and we're all working. So and also this will be as per HANA. So you need to know working in it on which platform working on it. So ECC and with all is an NRDP it will be business suite. Okay, and you have ECC application and you are having as per HANA DP that is a business suite on HANA. Okay, and finally okay, but you cannot complete it to S4HANA. It is a S4HANA complete. Now it is called a complete S4HANA system. S4 core, S4HANA. We can see the S4 core which and also here how we can see the version of S4. If you see a S4 core, there will be a one application, one option S4 core. Okay, let me check it. So this is the version of 2021. Okay. So if you see install software component install, so you can see all that has been installed in this. This is the S4 core 106. 106 nothing but the 2021. Okay, and if it is 105 it is a 2020. Okay, here so if it is a one, I will so if it is a 106 it is called as it is version of 2021, please remember. And if it is 105 it will be 2020. If it is a 104 it will be 2, sorry, it is a 1909. Okay, these are the versions. Okay, and you can easily check it. Go to system, go to system status and install software application. You can see S4 core. So this is called as 106. So if you find either 107, 107 it will be it's not at release, it will get released and it will be like 2023. And if you see here, if you are already using 1909 system, you will find here as 104. 104 means it is a S4HANA 1909 system. And you can check it. It is on premises 2021. This is just only some descriptions, but the complete details can be find here. The installation, the install software components from here, system status. Okay. Yeah. So these are all. We can check the versions of S4HANA. Yeah. So the existing customers, we are again I will repeat some what I said. The existing customers only can use the on-premises, okay, but they are not allowed to use the cloud hybrid. But if it is a new customer, so they want they need to use any ECC. They directly using the SAP, so they can use on-premises or cloud or hybrid. They have multiple choices, but exist customers only on-premises. So what is on-premises? They have installed their own database in their on-premises company. Okay, now we can check the versions SAP. We can, so if it is a 106, it is called as 2021 as per 2021, and if it is a 105, it is a 2020. So like this. If you see a 103, it is 1809. Each version has different each versions. There is a lot of differences. 190 have, if you compare 2021 to 2021, there is a lot of features has been added to 2021. If you compare 1909 to 2020, there will be compared to there a lot of difference. Yesterday I have shared one document, okay, simplification document. If you see there, you will find it. What are the changes has been done? Okay, please check. Already I shared yesterday one document, that is 1909. If you see, that is related to 1909. You check it. What are the changes has been done? Okay, now. So here, if it is previously it is called as business suite. Okay, we are using ECC and NEDP. Okay, now you are using ECC application, but you are using HANA DB database. It is a migration. Okay, and if you are using a S4 core and you are converted ECC to S4 HANA, so it is S4 core. I already shown here S4 core. What is S4 core? Here you will call it S4 core. S4 core 106. We call it S4 core like ECC. Okay, S4 HANA is a DB database. So we have converted. This is a conversion. Directly now converted ECC to S4 HANA, and this is an application layer, presentation layer application database. It is an S4 core application. Okay, it is S4 core. It's a conversion migration. So you need to check the difference between the migration as conversion. Migration nothing but you are just only migrating from existing DP to only HANA DP. So conversion nothing but you are converting ECC to the S4 HANA core. Okay, but S4 HANA DB, it won't support any other ERP, only it support S4 HANA. This is only designed for SAP only, S4 HANA, only for SAP. Okay, so this is all about basics, and there is a lot of basics that we can discuss, like it only support is SAP, and it is a RAM based, memory based. What is memory based? For example, here I will give one example how speed it will be. For example, the data can be here 500 GB. Okay, for example, just I'm saying. So the data here 500 GB. We are using the right now we are using ECC HP7, right? So the data which is available in ECC, it will be 500 GB data. So now we have migrated to HANA, where just one database has been changed here, not application. So here the data will be up to around like 150 GB. You can say 150 GB. Okay, here 150 GB. Now you are completely converted to S4 core application, and you have annotated. Now here the data will be 45 GB. So you can see the difference between the ECC, and you can see a difference, how much the difference has been here. When you are using ECC with Oracle DB or Microsoft, the data will be up to 500 GB here. If you see here only HANA DB database and ECC, see you can see here how much the data has been compressed. It is 150 GB, and if you see here you are completely 45 GB. So what is the difference? 500 GB to 45 GB. It is now from 100% to 90% the data has been reduced. So the speed has been increased. and also whatever you process, it will get directly processed from here in memory, RAM, directly from memory. If you see the, for example, simple example for using one laptop, and for example, we have only 8 GB RAM and normal drive, and we have another system which is 16 GB RAM, and also drive is SSD. So you can compare how much speed it will be. So similarly in S4HANA like that, we have S4HANA and S4DB. So here the data is 500 GB and it is compressed to 45 GB. So S4HANA has very powerful and is very speed than any other DB. So you can see here the difference, 500 GB to directly 45 GB for the speed. We can, the 45 GB you can also carry in your mobile also if you have 65 GB. So that much the power of the S4 HANA. So these are major changes. So if time permits, we can. I will explain more details about this SAP. Now I will go to the. So okay, up to now any any queries? What I explained. Guys, can you please someone speak out?
చెప్పండి ఆదర్శ్ గారు.
Yeah, okay, no more no more questions, right? Okay, I'll continue. Thank you. So you understand, right, what I said up to these deployment options? Okay, here the enterprise structure like in ECC will be same, but we will have I'll go to YX02. I'll create new entries. I'll create any example data. For data, I will take like TA 100. City can be Bangalore. CIN, NCINR.
ఆదర్శ్ గారు,
Yeah,
ఈ హైబ్రిడ్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఉంది కదా,
yeah,
అది S4 హనాలో,
yes,
అది ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్తారా?
yeah, sure. That's what this what I am expecting. If someone has asked the questions, I feel like they are getting understanding or something. The minimum I am expecting a response. Okay, I'll tell you. Just here, just I will complete it.
ఇంకోటి, మనం సమ్ ఈసీసీలో క్లోజింగ్ కాక్పిట్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఒకటి యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా. సో క్లోజింగ్ కాక్పిట్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఒకటి యూజ్ చేస్తాం కదా ఏసీసీ దాంట్లో. సో అట్లాగే ఇప్పుడు ఇది S4 హనాలో అట్లాంటివి ఏమైనా చేంజెస్ ఉన్నాయా, లేకపోతే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ అంతేనా?
సో ఇక్కడ మనం కన్వర్షన్ చేయడానికి యూలీజ్. సో యూఆర్ యూజింగ్ టూల్. Okay, you're using tool SUM. Okay, you're using SUM tool to convert from ECC to S4HANA. Okay. Here,
Okay.
I will explain again. So we have a different options. One is on-premises, cloud, hybrid. The cloud can be private or public cloud. And hybrid. This hybrid is it is a combination of on-premises and cloud. So what is hybrid, see, it will be like the data, the some like it's a combination. They can maintain some systems in their on-premises and other systems in cloud. So it is a combination. Hybrid is the combination of on-premises and cloud. Okay. So they have like from 50% of the data they can remain on premises, 50% can remain on cloud. So like for example, as per my knowledge, I can say like they want to get a reports. Okay. So for reports they can maintain that particular system on premises. For transactions like another data they can maintain for cloud. So hybrid is, it is a combination of on-premises and cloud. Both combination. So on-premises means only on-premises. They will get installed data, their own data in their on-premises system. On-premises cloud. It is cloud. It can also be like private and public. If you go to public, the public will have less security. Okay, so because public nothing but they will you will get the space, everything. Another there will be possibilities of hacking also. Most of the companies they won't go public cloud. So if you go to private cloud, they will allocate everything a single. There are multiple securities will be there for private, and also from each one the cost also varies. Okay, so if you go to the for ECC customers, existing ECC customers, they can only use, they are allowed to only use for the on-premises. For new customers, they can go anyone. They can choose based on their requirements. Based on the requirements, they can go for on-premises, cloud, and hybrid.
అయితే ఒక డౌట్ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది మైగ్రేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ గురించి కదా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు హలో మైగ్రేషన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ గురించి కదా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటుంది. సో అయితే ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే హైబ్రిడ్ ఉందో మనకి ఏదైతే అంటే ఇప్పుడు S4HANA వేరే నాన్ ఎస్ఏపీ నుంచి ఇట్లా మైగ్రేట్ చేసేదానికే కదా ఇప్పుడు ఈ బల్క్ హైబ్రిడ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేసుకునేది.
For hybrid, see here, if you see here, we're already using, as I said here, new customers can go to hybrid. Okay, hybrid version. Existing customers are not allowed to go to hybrid. Okay, but see here,
న్యూ కస్టమర్స్ గురించి అడుగుతున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైతే బల్క్ డేటా ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు ఆన్ ప్రెమిసెస్ యాక్చువల్లీ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్స్ అనుకుంటే క్లౌడ్ వేరే.
see here, see here, as already said, this is the existing customer, existing all only will be done to the on premises. Existing customer nothing but all they are already using ECC. Okay, they are already using ECC SAP. So they are now migrating from my MSQL. For example, they might be use here MS SQL. They might SQL or anything. So they are using, they are migrating to HANA. So now here the combination of ECC and S4HANA, it is called business suite. Okay, now conversion, now they are converted ECC to S4HANA. This all will be done on premises only. This all will be done on premises. Okay, all in on premises. From ECC to, if you want to convert from ECC to S4HANA, this all will be done on premises. This will be done on premises. Okay, if you are new customer, the new customer can be any other, like they might be using previously they might be using any Microsoft or Oracle or any other thing. Now they are newly implementing the S4HANA in their for their company. Now they are allowed to use this any options. Okay, if you are using only, if you are already using the SAP, you are allowed to use on premises and you need to follow this. Okay,
hello,
you can directly convert to S4HANA, because it includes lot of time and lot of because we need to work on it, right? Daily you need to process transactions, so there will be lot of.
shall I add a point here?
Yeah, please.
Actually, hybrid means, for example, it is a greenfield implementation. For that only, we can use hybrid approach. In
Yeah,
that
that's what
case,
I,
for
yeah,
example,
yeah. Okay.
let me complete. For example, region, we have a couple of regions. If we take region wise, like region A, region B, and region C. For region A, region B, you can go for on-premise or cloud, and region C, you can go for on-premise. Because here we are completely uh, changing the landscape of the system. So we can use both. Mostly it is used for the bigger organizations. Got
Okay.
my point?
Yeah, got it. Here,
No, someone was asking,
let's
no,
say,
that's why I just
yeah,
wanted to add.
got it. Got it. Thanks for adding. And yeah, new customer like in we'll get like green implementation, brownfield implementation, greenfield nothing kada. They are like new implementation. Okay. Okay, Suresh. Sorry, Satya Prasad, you got it? Or,
Okay, thank you. Sure, sure.
yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, here if I go to this is okay, the data was here. I created one company code here, and also I will explain a few details about it. So the data whatever we maintain, it will be get saved in the form of fields, tables. Okay, if you want check it, right click it, help, and technical information. See here, each screen, each field will be contain the field name, field name, table name. Okay, you directly click on it. See, this is the company code. Okay, what does the company code screen contains? This client, company code, name of company code, city, country, currency, language, address. Okay, if you see here, the details, everything that it will be saved in the T001, right? If you see the mandate in the required fields, and also if you see the length 3 4 25 25, so you are allowed to maintain up to 3 only. The client will be 3 digits. The company code you can maintain up to 4. Behind that 4 you are not allowed to maintain 5 characteristics. You are allowed to only 4. For name a company code you can maintain up to 25. City you can maintain up to 25. Okay, country, region key you can maintain up to 3. So similarly like this, based on this, you are allowed to update these fields. Based on this you are allowed to update these fields. As I said, company code only allowed 4, right? So you are allowed to update only 4. Okay, now if you come here, currency. So the currency in ECC we can maintain up to how many currency? We can maintain up to 4, sorry 3. For example, I'm taking this in ECC. You are allowed to maintain up to how many? This first local currency, second local currency, third local currency. We can maintain. This is the ECC system. If you see here, this is ECC. Okay, this is ECC system. So the client first local currency is the default currency. Once you create a company code, okay, once you create a company code, this will be automatically assign it. Okay, the currency types. 10 is company code currency. Okay, 30 group currency. And you can maintain second local currency and third local currency as alternatives. Okay, and if you go to client, okay, here group currency is EUR. Okay, this is the currency which is maintained at the client level. You go to SCC4, they you can check it the currency, standard currency. This will be the UR. This is ECC. If you go to S4HANA, okay. See, this is here in S4HANA. The currency is USD. Okay, where in ECC we can maintain up to 3. Where in S4HANA we can maintain up to 10. Okay, up to 10 currencies. See the OB22. When you execute the transaction code OB22 in ECC, when you execute transaction code OB22 ECC, well, you got this. But in S4HANA, it is not available. OB22 here saying use transaction code FNC ledger. Please recommend you to note this pointers, because if you get a question like what the changes in S4HANA, we can see this, because we can also add this point in ECC up to we can maintain for FI up to three currencies, but in S4HANA we can maintain up to 10 currencies. That also you can add this point. Okay, so this is so yesterday someone asked that see here I'm showing here. So it is maintained with the ledger company code settings. See here the local currency, it can be the 10 company code currency. Please remember this. This currency, this please note, this will be get based on the you maintain the controlling area. Okay, based on the controlling area. When you maintain the controlling the currencies, you will be get maintained in control area, right? I will open. See, if you see here, the currency is currency. If you maintain the currency type second currency for control, it will be automatically get updated here. Please remember this based on the control area that you define, you will get here. See, so this is a total one currency, two currency here. 1, 2, 3, you will get up to 8. See, so 8 total 8 plus 2 10 currencies. Okay, and this will be automatically updated based on once you update the fiscal year and posting period variant and account principal. Okay, and if you come okay end, see first currency, second currency, sorry, first currency, second currency, third currency. If you see here in ECC, here you will get, if you see here in ECC, first local currency, second local currency, third currency. Okay, this will be updated here in S4HANA. They added here. So actually these are the first local currency, nothing but the company code currency. Okay, and the group currency we don't maintain separately. The group currency it only maintain at the client level. Okay, and the currency which you maintain for company, not company code company, it can be the global company currency. Okay, why do we need global company currency? And we will assign all the company codes. Okay, will to the company once. Based on we will get the reports. What reports? Consolidation reports for all the company codes. So here actually we already know what we enterprise sector, and also we need to maintain the control area alternatively. And previously in ECC we have done lost. I mean for accounting documents. To do account documents, you must, it's a very mandatory, you need to configure the control area alternative. Okay, here if you see here definition, it is common. Define company, okay, company code, business area, functional area, everything is okay. Okay, in ECC also is common, there will be any difference. Okay, but we need to maintain controlling area alternatively. Okay, and once you done, you can assign it. Okay, and if time permits, I will explain further some more details about. I'll try to explain fiscal year variant, some other the basic settings. Okay, tomorrow. So I'll disconnect here. If anyone has any points, they can discuss. Okay, thank you all.
Okay.